Planning a trip between Europe and Asia anytime soon? You might have noticed that your flights are taking longer, and ticket prices are making your wallet cry. But why? The answer lies thousands of feet below the flight path, in one of the most complex geopolitical regions in the world, the Middle East. Today, we're breaking down exactly what is happening in the skies over the Middle East, why global airlines are scrambling, and how this conflict is directly impacting your travel, global cargo, and most importantly, your bank account. To understand the chaos, we have to look at the map. Airspace isn't just open sky, it's heavily regulated territory. With the ongoing conflicts involving Israel, Gaza, and rising military tensions with Iran and militant groups in the Red Sea, the skies have become a geopolitical minefield. For commercial airlines, passenger safety is non-negotiable. When missiles are deployed or military jets are scrambling, commercial planes have to clear out immediately. What does this mean? Invisible walls are thrown up. Airlines are actively avoiding the airspace over Iran, Iraq, and surrounding conflict zones. This turns a massive, crucial aerial corridor that connects the West and the East into a giant, blocked-off wall. So, if planes can't fly through it, they have to fly around it. This is where the operational domino effect begins. Rerouting a massive Boeing 777 or Airbus A350 isn't like taking a quick detour in your car. A detour around the Middle East can add anywhere from 1 to 3 hours to a flight. More time in the air means more fuel burned, thousands of extra gallons per flight. It also destroys cruise schedules. Pilots and flight attendants have strict legal limits on how long they can work. An extra 2 hours in the air might mean a flight suddenly needs a heavier backup crew, or an entirely new planned layover. And here is where it hits you directly: the cost. Aviation fuel is one of an airline's absolute biggest expenses. When a single long-haul flight requires tens of thousands of dollars in extra fuel, the airlines don't just absorb that financial loss, they pass it on to you, the passenger, through higher fares. But wait, there's a massive plot twist. It's not just passenger planes. Because of the Houthi attacks on commercial ships in the Red Sea, ocean shipping has plummeted. Companies desperate to move their goods are turning to air freight. This massive, sudden demand for air cargo space pushes prices up across the entire aviation industry. Supply is incredibly tight, demand is sky high, and the routes are longer than ever. Finally, think about the mega-hubs: Dubai, Doha, Abu Dhabi. These airports are perfectly designed to connect the world. But when flights arrive late because of massive rerouting, passengers miss their connecting flights. Baggage gets delayed. It's a logistical nightmare that ripples across the entire globe. So, what can you do? If you're traveling long-haul this year, pack your patience. Expect longer flight times. Book early to lock in your prices, build in extra buffer time for layovers, and seriously consider strong travel insurance. The skies might be turbulent right now, but being prepared makes all the difference. What's the longest flight delay you've ever experienced? Let us know in the comments below. Hit subscribe for more aviation deep dives and safe travels.